हाँ, hello students. In continuation, we will continue last topic also that is genetic code. हाँ, genetic code अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, इसको समझने की कोशिश कर लेंगे. Let us first go this. What was the theme? Rather, what was the theme behind the discovery of the genetic code? Theme behind the डिस्कवरी ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड. जेनेटिक कोड को डिस्कवर करने के लिए व्हाट वाज इट्स थीम, व्हाट वाज द मोटिव रादर बिहाइंड द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द जेनेटिक कोड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मस्ट नो दैट, आपने ये भी पढ़ा होगा, रेप्लिकेशन में आपने पढ़ा, जब हम रेप्लिकेशन पढ़ रहे थे, रेप्लिकेशन एक प्रोसेस हमने ये पढ़ी बेटा, रेप्लिकेशन में हमने ये पढ़ा कि where we will see DNA जो था it was copied to form another DNA. हमने एक और प्रोसेस पढ़ ली that is called as the ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में हमने क्या देखा कि डीएनए जो था it was copied into mRNA. दिस बट अगर हम यहां पर देखेंगे दिस डीएनए इंटू डीएनए, या हम पढ़ लेंगे ट्रांसक्रिप्शन व्हेन द डीएनए वाज कॉपीड इनटू द एमआरएनए, बोथ दीज प्रोसेसेस दे आर बेस्ड ऑन कंप्लीमेंटरी दिस मीन्स क्या, अगर हम बात करेंगे हाउ दे आर कंप्लीमेंटेटेड, कि हाउ दे आर कंप्लीमेंट टू ईच अदर. इन केस ऑफ डीएनए की अगर हम बात करेंगे, अगर हम डीएनए की बात करेंगे, इन केस ऑफ डीएनए, लेट अस गो टू दिस वन. इन केस ऑफ डीएनए, in case of DNA, what we will see, adenine it pairs with thymine. अगर हम नाइट्रोजन बेसिस की बात करेंगे, then we have got G it pairs always with cytosine. Now if we go to RNA, adenine, हाँ यहां पर हम देखेंगे adenine it pairs with the thymine and guanine it pairs with the cytosine and vice versa. But in case of RNA, adenine it pairs with uracil and guanine it cytosine. But what we will see, but these are complementary. So I have written here that this replication as well as this transcription, both these processes are complementary. Now there is another process. हमारे पास अब एक और process भी है. Now what is the name of this process? But we have got one more process, that is the synthesis of proteins. उसके लिए हमारे पास एक प्रोसेस है, and that process is called as translation. That process is called as there is one more process that is called as translation. Now what happens in the process of transpiration, जो mRNA होता है, it forms the proteins. So in case of translation, this mRNA, it is the polymer of nucleotide, while as this protein, it is the polymer of amino acid. It is the polymer of amino acid. So this polymer of nucleotide, it gives rise to the formation of polymer of amino acid. So here we will see in this process translation, no this complementary, हम कहेंगे complementary is not found in this case. This reason, this polymer of nucleotide, when it gives rise to the amino acid, is there. Here we will see no complementary is found. So this is the reason which has given rise to the formation of this genetic code. Now यहां पर हम देखते देयर इज अ कंप्लीमेंट्री. अगर हम बात कर लेंगे ए चेंज इन न्यूक्लियोटाइड, ए change in nucleotide will show the change in the amino acid. Will change in the amino acid. So या हम ये कहेंगे whatever the type of nucleotide, अगर हम ये बात करेंगे whatever the type of nucleotide will be present on this mRNA, what we will see that will decide the sequence of amino acid chain in the proteins. So हम ये कहेंगे whatever will be the type of nucleotide present in the mRNA, that will decide the sequence of amino acid chain in the protein. So all this, because here it is complementary, no we will see, but in case of this, in case of replication transcription, there we will see both these process, they are complementary, but in the case of this process of translation, it is not complementary. So this complementary, it has given rise to this genetic code. Now what do we mean by this genetic code? What do we mean by this genetic code? What do we mean by the genetic code? So what is the genetic code? This genetic code, it is a 3-letter language. It is a 3-letter language made of nitrogen base, bases, which is the base, bases which are carrying genetic information to code a particular amino acid. So what do you mean by the genetic code? Genetic code is a 3-letter language which is made up of the nitrogen bases, and these nitrogen bases are carrying genetic information to code a particular amino acid. Now you are well aware that this genetic code, it is present on mRNA. For example, on mRNA there is a codon AUG, and this AUG, it carries a genetic information to this AUG. This is the codon. This codon, it to code a particular amino acid, and that amino acid is methionine. Now we have got one more, this codon, that is called as GUG, and for valine amino acid. These are amino acids. These are the codons. I write them as codons because they contain a genetic information to code a particular amino acid. These are amino acids. Now अगर हम पास्ट में जाएंगे, जो हमारा जो जेनेटिक कोड था, पहले पहले ये क्या था, इट वॉज ए सिंगलेट कोड। आज हम देखते हैं इट इज ए ट्रिपलेट, इट इज ए 3 लेटर लैंग्वेज। पहले पहले हम क्या देखते थे कि दैट दिस जेनेटिक कोड जो हमारे पास था, जो पहले था, इट वॉज ए सिंगलेट। दैट मीन्स कि जो कोडान था, वट एवर द कोडान इज देयर, इन दिस केस कोडान जो था, कोडान इज मेड अप ऑफ single nitrogen base, single nitrogen base. That means we have got 4 bases. First one, A, what we call, we have got U, we have got G, we have got C. It's a singlet, so we will see 4 raised power 1 is equal to 4. Only 4 codes are there, 4 codons are there. Now there is the problem. Problem क्या है? We have got 20 amino acids are there. Now there's a problem. What is the problem? That we have got 21 amino acid, or we have got overall अगर मेरे पास there are 20 amino acid, and जो हमारे पास the singlet codon जो है, they will code only 4 amino acids. अब जो बाकी 16 रह जाते हैं उनको कौन कोड कर लेगा? So it was discarded. It was discarded. Now हमारे पास फिर इसके बाद आ गया, that is called the doublet code. Doublet code. Now what is this doublet code? That is, जो कोडान है, again is made up of 2 nitrogen bases. That means 2 nitrogen bases. This is made up to 2. So हमने क्या किया? 4 raised power 2, that is equal to 16. Now again we will see we have got total 20 amino acids. Now by these 16 codons, only 16 हमारे पास अमीनो एसिड बन जाएंगे, बाकी जो 4 रहेंगे वो कहाँ हो जाएंगे? Again this has become discarded. अब थर्ड हमारे पास है, that is triplet. That means जो कोडान है, it is made up of 3 nitrogen bases. Each codon is made up of 3 nitrogen bases. That means 4 raised power 3, that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. So we have got 64 codons which are enough to code the 20 amino acids. So how many codons are there? We have got 64 codons which are enough to code the 20 amino acid. So in the modern हमारे पास जो definition है genetic code की, it is a 3 letter language. That is, it is made up of 3 nitrogen bases, and these nitrogen bases, they are carrying the genetic information to code a particular amino acid. Now these genetic code अगर हम देखेंगे, these codon, they are found on the mRNA. Now what are these 364 these codons? We will discuss them, we will tabulate them in the next video, and we will study the properties of these what we call as this genetic code. We will study them in the future videos. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.